Lebo, ngicela uhambe uyotshela uTshepo ukuthi he must stay far away from Soweto and angayi emsebenzini until further notice. Akumelanga atholakale anywhere. Amafoni wakhe mawahlale off. Everything that has got to do naye ayingatholakali until further notice. I-lawyer isho kanjalo and nabo bhuti basho kanjalo, bathi nje makanyamalale angatholakali. If akanandawo yokuhlala bazom-organizela indawo yokuhlala ukuthi hamba uhlala somewhere for a while. So please ngicela udlulise leyo message utshela uTshepo. If mhlambe naye uyakwazi ucommunicate naye ngoThapelo, atshele amtshele uThapelo, but uThapelo ngiyacommunicate naye ngimtshela uThapelo udlalela safe. Ngithe uThapelo absusa imoto akhiphe i-tracker kwi-RS4, kumele iphume i-tracker i-RS4 because bayayifuna. So uBobby uzothumela uLehasi bahambe bayokhipha i-tracker laphana kwi-RS4 ngoba lamaphoyisa manje afuna i-RS4. So please ngicela umtshele ngoba ngithe naye uThapelo makafuna ukuya emall akafaka ikepisi or afaka isport, afaka amazaza azihambele. So uTshepo yena makafuna ukudakwa umtshele ukuthi ngithi ngicela athenge ibhodlela lakhe ahlale endlini azihlalele, please until further notice. Just do that Lebo. Angazi ukuthi izorisha kanjani kuTshepo ngoba angazi akangifoneli. If uyathola i-chance ukuthi angifonele nenye number, please let him do that please. Okay.